Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to redeem a Square eGift card in 2025. With Square's evolving platform, this process is quicker than ever, perfect for treating yourself or surprising a friend. Whether you're a Square newbie or a pro, stick around because we'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, start by locating your eGift card details. This usually arrives via email from Square, so check your inbox for a message containing a unique code and any instructions. Once you have that, open the Square app on your smartphone or head to the Square website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, it's quick to set up. Now, navigate to the Gift Cards or Redeem section. It's typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Here, you'll enter the gift card code carefully to avoid any typos. After entering the code, Square will verify it and add the balance to your account. Next, browse and select the items or services you want to purchase. The gift card amount will be applied automatically at checkout, making your transaction seamless. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can easily add a payment method like a credit card. One quick tip for 2025: Square might have new security features, so double-check for any two-factor authentication prompts to keep things secure. If you encounter any issues, like an invalid code, head to Square's Help Center or contact support. They're usually very responsive. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your Square eGift card and are ready to enjoy your purchase. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to guides. See you in the next video.